Feeling too hot is now a thing of the past. The Polar Seal GEM is a wearable, pocket-sized air conditioner. The Polar Seal GEM gives you instant cooling or instant heat at the touch of a button. The GEM's neck module incorporates state-of-the-art thermoelectric semiconductors. This miniaturized system is the result of 2 years of research and development. The neck module creates the desired cooling or heating that is then spread throughout the user's body. From the small control module, users can easily switch between the cooling or heating modes, which make the Polar Seal GEM a product for all seasons. Compact, lightweight, and discreet, the GEM features a stealth mode, whereby the main button lighting on the control device is turned off while the device continues to cool or heat you. The cooling plus heating module and the control module are linked together thanks to the GEM's magnetic connector cables, which feature gold-plated tips and allow users to put on or take apart their GEM in seconds and break down the device into highly portable, pocket-sized modules. The GEM is a wearable device so revolutionary, so useful, so liberating, it will change the way you experience heat or cold. We designed the Polar Seal GEM so that no one would ever have to feel too hot or too cold.
We are Bumruk, and we have created a new category of beach chairs. We have taken the most comfortable aspects of our favorite backpacks and seamlessly integrated a reclining chair. It has a steel internal frame with a self-supporting 5-position hinge, topped with high-density waterproof foam, and covered in quality neoprene, designed to withstand the elements. The backpack is easily removable for easy access while reclining, or to use as your new go-to day pack. We've designed the Bumruk to be your go-to companion for biking or walking to the beach, paddleboarding, hiking, fishing, relaxing at your local park, or even studying on the campus lawn. And it's machine washable. Pretty cool, huh?
The Bumruk is finally ready for mass production. All we need is your help to reach our minimum order quantities, and we'll have your bums and Bumruks in no time.
So back us today and help make this a reality. At least I kind of looked at it and I fell in love with it because it was hydrodynamics, it was engineering, it was surfing, it was flying, it was like everything that I loved in the world. It was all in one package. I have to learn how to build this for myself. It took years to kind of perfect that and get the feeling that we were really searching for. Those years in the shop, day and night, building wings and like just perfecting the feeling of flying. This is a product that we didn't create our own version of it. We invented this product. We built it from scratch.